In this video, we'll be testing cold bonding versus welding by attaching two brackets to a tank to find out which method is safer and more practical. First, we marked out the perimeter of both brackets. For the welded bracket, we prepared the surface area outside the perimeter, since welding is done at the edges. We then proceeded to weld the bracket, but the tank lining began to burn immediately, forcing us to stop for safety reasons. Now for the cold bonding application. We prepared the area inside the marked perimeter, since bonding is done on the whole surface of the bracket. We also prepared the bracket itself. Next, we masked off the application area and cleaned it to remove any loose particles. Using the most suitable Belzona bonding material, in this case Belzona 1212, we thoroughly mixed the product at a ratio of 1 part base to 1 part solidifier by volume. After mixing, we applied a thin layer to the application area with a stiff bristled brush, pressing hard to make sure the product fills the surface profile. We then applied a thin layer of the product to the bracket's surface, before adding more product to build up a central peak. We proceeded to attach the bracket to the tank by pressing it with force onto the application area, making sure the product squeezed out of the sides. Temperature readings taken via thermal imaging show a maximum of 80 degrees Fahrenheit was reached, which is safe for both the tank lining and content. We cleaned the excess product from the edges of the bracket and then removed the masking tape. And the test has shown that cold bonding is a safer and more practical alternative to welding for some applications.